today's video, I'm going to create this look using the new Morphe collaboration with Pony Constellation Sky palette. This is the second collaboration of Morphe and Pony. This is the look that I created. If you want to know how I created this look, stay tuned. First, I'm going to use the Wishful Thirst Trap Juice. I've been using this and you guys know that I love this so much. It's very hydrating. Next, I'm going to use this Kylie Cosmetics collaboration with Nightmare at Elm Street Lip and Cheek Stain. So pretty. Stay puts all day. For my primer, I'm going to use the Rare Beauty Pore Diffusing Primer. This is my favorite primer. It's very inexpensive. It mattifies my skin as well, so that's a plus. Next is something new in my collection. This is the Eldridge Seamless Skin Elevated Glow. A very subtle, natural highlighter. I can compare this with Charlotte Tilbury's Hollywood Flawless Filters. You can use this under your foundation, on top of your foundation, mixed with your foundation, or on your bare skin. For my foundation, I'm going to use the Armani Beauty Luminous Silk Foundation. There's nothing better than this foundation. I enjoy it. I'm so comfortable with this foundation. I keep using it. I keep going back to it. I love it. Another new product in my collection, I got the Vanity Makeup Sculpt and Glow Palette. This one is in medium. This brush is very good for blending cream. Next product, I'm going to use my concealer. This one is the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer. I am in the color 385. For my setting powder, I'm going to use Dragon Beauty. This one is in color pink. I love this shade. It blends nicely with the blush on. It's just a good transition for blushes. Next, for my bronzer, I'm going to use the Glow-ish Soft Radiance Bronzing Powder. This one is in medium. For my brush, I'm going to use the Morphe Jaclyn Hill JH05. I think Huda Beauty is doing a really good job formulating glow-ish products. For my blush, I'm going to use the Kylie Cosmetics Blush Powder in Close to Perfect. I really like this formula. Absolutely beautiful. She did a really good job with the first formula and got so much better the second one. Have you guys tried Ariana Grande's beauty line? This is the best product from REM Beauty. This is called a highlighter topper in Miss Mercury. Absolutely stunning. The best highlighter I've ever used in my whole life. This is a holy grail, and I don't say that a lot in my channel. This is amazing. So pretty. Miss Ariana Grande did that. For my brows, I'm going to start with Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Freeze. I love this product so much. Basically, holy grail. Now I'm gonna say it all the time. This is the only thing that holds my eyebrows. Nothing else. I'm gonna let it dry and then I'll get back to it. Next, I'm going to prep my eyes with the MAC Paint Pot. This one is in Soft Ochre. Next, for my eyebrows, I'm going to use the Huda Beauty Bomb Brows in Soft Black. This is an amazing micro brow pencil. It's really tiny. You can't even see a tip. Super, super tiny, and it makes really nice drawn hair, eyebrow hair. For the star of the show. Ta-da! So pretty. Love the aesthetic. I love the design. The graphic design is absolutely beautiful. It's huge. All right, this is the palette. This is how it looks like. So pretty. This is the Morphe Pony Constellation Sky palette. This is her second palette with Morphe. Morphe did such an amazing job with the graphic design. It's so pony. I know that her style of makeup from her first palette was very washy. There's a lot of pastel shadows, and I'm so happy that she gave us a different kind of palette, a different selection, which is darker and deeper, but still playful and fun. There's still fantasy in the shade range. Okay, so let's try it. This periwinkle shade, it's matte, it's so pretty. First shade I'm going to use is this shade, Polarity. Okay, next shade I want to use the periwinkle, this shade right here, Lucid Dreams. A smaller blending brush. I clean up a little bit with the concealer brush. Next, I'm going to use Give Me Glow Glow Harder eyeshadow primer. I'm going to put this all over my lid and wait for it to get tacky. This one is called Meteorite. So pretty. This is the detail part that my finger cannot do. Okay, next I'm going to use this big shadow here. It's called Nebula. I'm gonna place that in the inner corner of my eyes. What? It's a topper. It has a lot of shimmers. It's so pretty. Wow. Oh, look at that eye. It's so pretty. Okay, next I'm going to use the Makeup by Mario eyeliner. This is the Master Mattes Liquid Liner Super Black. Okay, that's so pretty. Using my Makeup by Mario Master Pigment Pro Pencil Super Black, I'm going to tight line on top. Alright, I'm done with my eyeliner. I also put a little bit, a tiny line under my eyes just to connect with the wing. I like that effect. For my mascara, I'm going to use my IT Cosmetics. This is the super trusted Superhero Mascara. I saw these two cute lip products, those of colors. They're Daisy Duck collection, and this one is the Donald Duck Velvet Mousse lipstick and Gimme That lip liner. Packaging is so cute. I think I got a really bad batch. So cute though. And the colors are super nice. Alright you guys, this is the finished look. For my final thoughts, I really like this Morphe collaboration with Pony again. I love her first collaboration. Second collaboration just got better. I love that she gave us deeper tones, deeper shades. And I also love that she has this neutral shadows for everyday and deep shadows for fun looks like this. It's still wearable, you guys. This is so nice. So pretty. The glitters. No age preference. This is a great palette for everyone. I love the lip combo from Dose of Colors. I think that Dose of Colors, they make really good nude lip colors. I don't know if I got a really bad batch of the mousse lipstick. Doesn't feel like moussey. It looks dry. This highlighter from REM Miss Mercury. Get this, guys. It's super nice. Absolutely beautiful. It doesn't give that gray cast when you turn. If you look in front, it looks like I don't have highlighter, but when I turn, that's when you see when the light hits. And that's what a good highlighter is. If your highlighter is casting shadow, like when you turn, that's not a good highlighter. I enjoyed this video. I enjoyed this look. I love it so much. I love purple looks in wintertime. Purple, blue. I'm in the mood for purple and blue right now. I don't know why. Yeah, that's it. I actually want to try this Crayolan fixing spray. It's going to protect my makeup. Hazy. I think I put a hole in the ozone layer. Oh, that is hairspray. Hairspray in disguise, guys. I don't like that. Oh my god. My makeup is not coming off. Oh my god. Whoa. We'll see how long this makeup is gonna last. Okay, Crayolan. You almost killed me, but it worked. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment box below. Again, my name is Karina and I'm SwatchQueen. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell for more upcoming videos. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!